Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Lloyd's Bank address. The first thing I want you to do is launch your Lloyd's Bank app. And then here at the top right, you'll see your profile icon. I want you to go ahead and tap on this. And this will open up profile and settings. And here under profile, you will see address. So I want you to go and tap on that. And then here you can change your address. So all you need to do here is enter your new postcode. And if you need your mail sent to a different address or, an address outside the UK or this one, you need to message them. So just go ahead and enter your postcode here, click on find address, then go ahead and just scroll down, find your address, confirm that. So here's the address, confirm that, say this is your new address. That's perfectly fine. Go ahead and tap on this and that will set your new address for your account. So it's really that easy. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.